West today. Beautiful island of Key West. This is our first time here, and we're just gonna go out and explore on our own walking tour. We're gonna go eat now and get some coffee. We had to go to make it off the ship by 9 o'clock. It's 8:40 now, so by the time we eat, maybe, let's see, who knows. But at least it's still gonna be somewhere in the 9 o'clock area, right?
At least I'm rested.
Yes.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Yesterday was rough.
Yeah. We went to sleep kind of early anyway, so, well, early, like 11:30, 12, and woke up at 7, so almost 8.
You're tired.
Yeah. Alright, let's go. And again, so you click here. This is to make up the room. Ooh, it's pink now. Oh, good looks. This turns blue. This is James girl.
Deck 15.
The fact that it's open this morning. I have overnight oats for breakfast, granola bar, charcuterie, got some fruit. Oh, same thing over here. Got miso udon.
Oh, this is
for
good.
Breakfast, girl.
I gotta practice. I'm going places.
And she also got a Thai curry one, like she's gonna eat it.
In my defense, I wasn't expecting this to be that big. I literally just wanted like.
Got a veggie omelet, some bacon.
We have arrived, mi gente. We have arrived. It's not too hot, a little breezy. I ain't gonna complain. It's better than being home. You know what I'm talking about? Do you know what I'm talking about, mi gente?
I know what you're talking about, mi gente.
Wow, look at the fit, look at the fit. Huépale. Wow.
The glasses
Look at the
thing.
fit, look at the ship. Huepa.
So cute.
I can grab.
Made it. We're doing our walking tour. Oh, I did. Yeah, we walked for like 2 seconds, and it's definitely humid. It's definitely hot. So definitely bring some water. So we did, and some sunscreen if you need sunscreen, cause yeah.
We got the GPS. I don't know where we're going. I'm
Yeah.
just following it.
It's a Google Maps thing. I can show it later, but I just Googled it, found it online, and that's what we're following. We are going to the little White House right now just to see it, and then we're going somewhere else. We're not going in, we're just coming to see. We are walking to mile marker 0 now, I believe. So I guess when we get there, I had to put my hair up. It hasn't even been, it's probably been like 10 minutes.
I'm glad
So
you
I
know
definitely
where
had to
we're
put my hair up. I don't know where I'm going, I'm just following the GPS.
I'm just walking.
This tour is only like, the walking tour is only like about an hour. So we're probably gonna complete it and then maybe get something to eat or drink and stuff.
Remember when I told you guys that it wasn't too bad and it wasn't too hot? I lied. Whatever I said 5 minutes ago, I lied.
So it's a little sweaty out here.
Right, you will see the United States Post Office of Key West, Florida, where they mail out approximately 2.5 million envelopes per day.
Don't listen to her, she just made up a number. Made it to mile marker 0. Oh my god, I can't see nothing. This is what are you reading?
The sign. And the rainbow sign.
I didn't even see that. Be careful with the rooster. You want to cross the street? Or you're walking by the rooster. What's the real reason?
This the Cubans migrating. That's how they come in the little Yolita.
Because the signs or the streets are on the poles.
She said do a walking tour, it would be fun. Oh my God, it's so fun.
We've seen the Hemingway house from the outside because I'm not paying $14 to go in. Now we're going to the southernmost point.
Like that.
We're almost to the southernmost point. I can see it with my eyes.
Hey guys.
Walk, they said. It'll be fun, they said.
I'm not struggling or anything.
She don't exercise at home, you guys. But it's okay. That's why we exercise on vacation. So close. You can see it up there. We made it, y'all, to the southernmost point. You guys, there's a long line. So you might want to get here early if you want to take a picture. But we just went straight up to it and avoided this.
I got again.
We just left the souvenir store.
Let me tell them. Let me tell them.
Okay, go ahead, girl. Go ahead.
Welcome to the $5 and up tienda in Key West, Florida. Tienen shot glasses 3 for $10, magnets 3 for $10, bracelets 3 for $10. The shirts and the hats are like $5 to $10. It's the cheapest we found so far. Come here and get your 5 y más.
Right here.
Y tienen beer.
Okay. This is on Duval Street, so we just came from the southernmost point over there, and it's on the left-hand side. Oh, there you go, between Duval and Catherine Street. Right
So
here.
of course I bought bracelets, I bought magnets, I need a shot glass, so we're on a hunt for that.
Damien, if you're watching, this is for you. We are still walking down Duval Street. Is it recording? Yeah. We're still walking down Duval Street. There's literally shops and restaurants and bars that you can just literally on both sides. We're gonna go back to the ship. We're going back to the ship now.
Yeah.
Souvenir shop. That's why we decided to just shop around. As far as souvenirs go, look, there's one there. There's one there. Sloppy Joe's bar. We're not going there though, we're going to the ship. Made it back to the ship, you guys. It's right there in our review. Look at the Scarlet Lady. Stops here when you come off the ship in the port, little port area. It's pretty cool. I'm off the ship. They have all of these. Sorry. You good? All of these that you can rent. Bike rentals, jet ski tours. Might be a little cheaper if you keep walking out, but these are here for options.
It's hot. We on the ship. We came to get a drink. Don't go chill on the balcony. First time being up here. Pretty nice. Spacious. Comfortable for that. There's a bunch of space up top. Around the whole top. But it's a little hot.
No.
Y'all want to see something real funny? Not the farmer's stand.
Yo, that's crazy. I'm gonna have to definitely tan tomorrow at Bimini.
It looks so cute like that.
But you can't even tell on this one because of the tattoo.
Eee, that's funny. Yo, put sunscreen.
Yeah.
Put some bug spray.
Make sure you take water.
Take water. It's hot.
We're back on the ship. We got some quickies and some drinks.
Got us a tres leche cake. Oh, oops. I don't know what I was showing you. Tres leche cake, and we got smoked turkey breast sandwich with some nacho little chips. We got ourselves a little souvenir cup. This was on the side of some street. It was $14 for the cup and alcohol. With the extra shot, it came out to $18. We got some souvenirs per usual because I always get got.
Now
we're back.
Gonna chill in the room and eat and cool down.
Or I have a better idea. We can go book a cruise.
Yeah, we're gonna have to read that to see.
This is a way better idea than take a nap and chill. Go to get a cruise.
Who said we're gonna take a nap? I didn't say that. I said we're gonna chill. You gonna take a nap. It's ready for Scarlet Night. We made it out the room. We all ready for Scarlet Night. You can't probably hear me, but that's okay. So we're leaving now, and we're at the dock house.
They're parasailing. Remember when I did that and almost died?
You did almost die. You wanted to go higher. Greek sweets, a mezzi platter. I think there's hummus and something tzatziki, and then a hanger steak. Alright, you might not be able to hear me, but listen now, okay? Listen. This right here, gotta get it. Gotta get it. It's so good. It's so good. Ain't it so good?
It is really good. It's refreshing. This is a golden
Horizon.
horizon.
That was good. It did. Literally everywhere. There's fishes everywhere. Razzle Dazzle, baby. That's where we're going now.
Razzle Dazzle.
Alright, let me get you first, girl. You happy?
That I saw her.
She got, what is it, okra and
Fried okra and fried tomatoes.
How do you feel about
and
that?
I got the
How
pork
do you think
belly.
she's gonna handle it? What do you want to say to her if you have your
Yeah,
what I want to say or what will I actually say? Those are probably two different things.
Two very different things.
And yes, have I had those fantasy conversations
It's
in
good.
my head with how I would tell
What's that sauce?
Oh, this fresh. This not from the freezer bag.
my
I don't know.
favorite is, oh, I'm sorry, are you talking to me? I don't talk to
It don't taste like nothing.
So I got the lamb. Shake all that plate is hot.
like her and her
With some potatoes and roasted vegetables.
still love her and she got
Fried chicken.
because she didn't, like, he wanted to buy her out.
You gonna make it Scarlet Night?
And with something sweet.
I'm not sure, but
Appreciation is a bucket.
Saying wow to my drink or to them? With my little feather.
I was reading the comments.
It's called High on Life from Scarlet Night.
A long time ago, before there was even a moon in the sky. Close your eyes, picture it. That's exactly what it looked like. No moon in the sky, it was dark. Okay? Dark. There was a sailor, a very brave sailor. Cheer for the sailor.
FTK, every trip.
We just went through so much.
I'm so overstimulated.
There was Spanish music, then hip hop, then karaoke.
At the same time.
Yeah. We in the arcade. It's all free. Oh, I want to race. Oh look, Mortal Kombat. You're not beating me. You probably will beat me.
Eric's group. Do you even know who Eric is?
Wow.
They're like, who the I know you don't know what you're singing, and that's the fun of it for me. Now we're back to the chorus, and you're gonna know. There we go.
That's some popcorn and a pretzel cheese. We are going to the pool for the finale of Scarlet Night. We're almost there, but we have to go all the way aft. Try to catch the elevator to 16.
Sailors, how we doing tonight? Happy Scarlet Night, everybody. We are so excited to have you here with us this evening. Let me present to you the High Priest of the Seas and the Sailors! Tonight, we honor the octopus. Come on, everybody, let's get ready to misbehave!
We had the little party outside on the deck. It was fun. It wasn't too bad. Yeah, it was a good time. I'm just tired. It's past my bedtime. So tomorrow we have some brunch. All I'm thinking about is me and that little spot right there. You see it? That little spot. Oh, right here, right